Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix storage problem in Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here, you're going to find your profile page. So basically, guys, right now, if Instagram is taking too much storage from your phone, then try to follow this fix. First of all, go to settings on your phone. And then once you're here in the settings, go ahead and search for apps or applications. Once you find apps or application, then here you're going to find the list that includes all of the installed application on your phone. So once you're here, go ahead and scroll down and search for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, once you're here, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. Here you're going to find the privacy settings, defaults, and usage. Here under usage, you're going to find mobile data, battery, and storage. So go ahead and click on storage. And then once you're here, you're going to find how much storage you used. So here, as you can see guys, under space used, you're going to find your app storage, your data storage, cache storage, and lastly, the total. So you can either choose to clear only your cache or you can clear all of the data. So I'm going to clear my cache. In order to do that, just click on clear cache and it will be cleared directly. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.